Hey, what's up guys? My name is Corinne and I'm coming at you with another plant unboxing. So you guys have heard of subscription boxes, whether it's Birchbox or Shoe Dazzle or some other cool thing. I know Sephora does like a little monthly box. Well, I'm doing a plant box. So this is for all you plant mom and dads and parents and plant hobbyists and enthusiasts. And I'm getting it from the Sill. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I have no idea what's in that box, and they send you a surprise box every month, once a month. So definitely sign up for it at the Sill, and let's see what's inside my box. Come join me. Welcome to the club. This is what I got inside the box. Is welcome to the club thing. Oh, okay. Looks like a tote bag. Alright, I think that's it. So, oh, okay. This is no fun. It kind of gives away what the plant is. I wish they would like tuck this in so it can be a little bit of a surprise. But so this is a welcome packet that you get. So this is my first month, and my plant came really quick, so I paid for it. Today is June 8th, and I actually signed up for the subscription on June 2nd, so it came within a week. So shout out to the Sill for getting right on it. But yeah, so this is the little welcome packet that comes with it. So it tells me what kind of plant in it. So it says it's a coin plant. I don't know what a coin plant is, but it's a Pilea. Oh, I think this is the plant I've been trying to get. I don't want to pay like, so the subscription each month is like 35 bucks, right? So again, like if you watch my other video, plants make people happy, and it's like care instructions on how to take care of the plant. So it says this plant is from southern China at the foot of the Himalayas, medium indirect light to dappled sun, water every 1 to 2 weeks when soil is dry about 1 to 2 inches. Sad plant signs, wilting and wrinkling means it's underwater, and yellowing and mushing base means it's overwater. Thank you to Sill. So before we get to the plant, let's see what this is. It looks like a tote bag. Oh, it is a little tote bag. It says, plants make people happy, the Sill. Awesome, really cute, love it, dig it. I will definitely be using it when I go, to the grocery store, or when I'm buying plants. I can just bring that'll be my plant bag. Alright, so super excited. I've been wanting this plant, you guys. It has been on my wish list, but then I stopped wanting it because everyone had it, but I guess now it's part of my collection. And the thing I like about the Sill, they do an amazing job with wrapping your plants. And this is all like the hay that they put around the plant, so it helps it, it's super soft on the plant stems and whatever, so it does not bruise them, and it helps in transportation. This is some of the best packing that I've seen on plants, but then again, this is like my only third time doing it in the Sill. I've done it twice, so. Look at the plant, you guys, super excited. So this is the coin plant. It has new growth on it. Super excited about that. I don't have this plant in my collection, so I was worried that like the first plant I get, it would already be in my collection, but it's not. This plant is like one of the it plants, so I'm super happy at this part. Like, look how long and lengthy it is, and the actual the round coin petals are super big. They're bigger than silver dollars, so I haven't seen them this big before, so I am super happy. So let's check out the root system. And the plant is super well moist, or really moist. My monsteras were kind of dry when they came in. I mean, that's okay, but I just want to point that out. And the root system looks good. It looks a little mushy, but I still think it's super healthy. Oh my gosh, I already have new little plants coming to the side of this. Oh my gosh, the propagation will start soon. Okay, well, I have to tell you guys, I'm super happy with the plant. So go ahead and try this, and you'll see some like up close and personal stuff, and I'm gonna have to find a cute little vase for this. Yeah. definitely, I recommend, you know, the Sill. So the price for the subscription is it's $35 a month plus taxes, and that $35 includes 1 to 2 things that you'll get in the box each month, and it also includes shipping. So I'm super happy with my plant. I'm super excited about next month. I can't wait to see what comes next month. And I can't wait to make that video for you guys next month. So this, like the Orbophilia, I felt like completed my plant collection, but now that I have this, I feel super complete. I am so happy. Alright guys, well peace out and thank you so much for joining me today, and I can't wait for the next video. Bye!